Okay, my name's Alasdair Cunningham and I am from Northampton. So I signed up for the Deal Finding Extravaganza because I really wanted to progress in my property journey, and I felt Samuel Leeds was the best coach out there to do so, to enhance my journey. In all honesty, I turned up to the course and I was very nervous. I actually nearly didn't come. I actually nearly got in my car and went home. I am so glad I didn't, because it has changed my life. And it's not what I expected. I was expecting it to be like a bit of a sort of very hypey and very sort of salesy. It's nothing like that. It is 3 days of absolute awesome sort of value, awesome material, awesome teachings, and yeah, I loved it. So on the 3-day trading course, the DFE, Never Use Your Own Money Again, I managed to find 12 property deals. I then went out and viewed them 12 property deals on the Monday after the training event. I managed to actually sell one on the Wednesday to an investor. So literally 4 days after I left the event, I sold my first deal. The crash course is a very intense, very sort of, it's a big room, lots of people in there. DFE is not like that. You're in a room with 30 to 40 people. You have a lot more personal time with Samuel, a lot more sort of coaches on hand to help and assist you with your property journey and also finding deals, and basically you're held accountable. You will find deals on the DFE, and if you don't, you'll be getting hassled until you do find deals. So yeah, it is completely different. Yeah, Samuel's great. He's very, very passionate. He's got a massive heart. He loves teaching and seeing successful people, and he's very sort of in there getting it done, and let's just get this done no matter what. No barriers, let's get it done. What I would say is my little voices were nuts. I said a minute ago I actually nearly even went home from the car park of the DFE in the morning I turned up. I now realise how stupid that was. Even though I paid the money, I nearly went home. I've gone on to do so many deals since coming to the DFE and Never Use Your Own Money Again. I would say just ignore your little voices, give yourself the gift of education, and give yourself the gift of just attending and attend. You'll not regret it. This is the 3 days that changed. That was the start of the change of my life. I genuinely mean that. That is just so true. I love the DFE. I think it's a great course. I think Simon was awesome. And if you're thinking about it, stop wasting your time, just do it.